Ladies and gentlemen, today I'm going to show you how to integrate apps into Wrike. Ladies and gentlemen, if you are using Wrike and you'd like to integrate one of your previously used apps or an app that you are still using, you want to go ahead on the left-hand side, you'll see your profile picture, click on that, come down, and you'll see apps and integrations. Now, you can see over here that there are a few different types of apps and integrations. So we've got our gallery over here, and the gallery is basically a bunch of third-party apps that you can connect, such as email marketing. You can see there's calendars. There are different things that you can sync. Okay, so there are many options. Here are all the headings or the titles. You can go and have a look for different types. You can also see there are Wrike sync apps and integrations. Here you can set up two-way syncs with some of your tools such as Jira, Bitbucket, GitHub, and all the rest of these. All you need to do is click on try for free and then see what apps you'll be able to sync two ways. There's also Wrike integrations. Okay, so here you can turn on workflows and you can turn them into simple, powerful, intelligent automation. So click on Get Wrike Automations, Get Wrike Integrate, and what will ultimately happen now is you'll be able to integrate different types of apps into your workflows, and it's then not third-party apps. Then we've got our simple API over here, and once you click on this, you'll be able to manage all of your app APIs. So all you need to do is click on Create New App. Here you are going to fill out all of the details, and you'll go ahead, click on Save on the bottom right-hand side over here. Now you can integrate a bunch of different apps into your Wrike account.